Hello everyone, we are going to see about forms and data in Express.js. Working with forms and data in Express.js application involves handling form submission, processing the data sent by the client. This typically involves parsing the request body to extract form data and then performing any necessary processing such as validation, database operation, etc. Here's how we can work with forms and data in Express.js application. First, we want to install necessary packages. First, we want to install body parse middleware, which is used to parse the request body. For that, first npm I body parser. Next, we want to require necessary modules. Require the Express body parse and path module in your Express application. First, we want to import. Next, we want to require path. Next, we want to create an Express application. Create an instance of the Express application. For that, const app equal to Express. Next, we want to set up a middleware using body parse middleware to parse the request body. Now I am going to pass the URL encoded bodies. App.use URL encoded extended false. Next, I want to create a parse JSON bodies. App.use body parser dot JSON. Next, I want to define router handlers. Define router handlers to handle get and post request for the form. Now I am get request to render the form app.get slash form request comma response rest dot send file path.join direct name, and we want to give the form.html, which file we want to send. Next, I am going to create app.post slash submit and then request comma response. I am getting const name comma email equal to request dot body. Next I'm going to send the response is dot send name comma email next I'm going to create a file for form.html. Inside that I'm going to create an HTML file. HTML. Inside that I'm going to have an head, title. After that I'm going to create a body. Inside that I'm going to have an h1 submit form, and then I'm going to create a form, and action is slash submit, and the method is post. Next I'm going to create a label, and for its name, then I'm going to create an input of type text and id name, and I'm going to give a line break. Next I'm going to create a label for email, input type of email, and id email, and name is email. Next I am going to create another input of type submit, and the value is submit. After saving this, now in the index.js I want to start the server. app.listen, I want to give a port. For that I'm going to give const port equal to 3000, app.listen port. Here I am going to console log server is running on http localhost, and also give port. If I save this, now if I run, if I give slash form, and if I give a name and email id, and if I submit, see I am getting name Sai and email as sai@gmail.com. You see when I click on submit, I am getting the post method with my name and email. Like this we will get the value. In this code we use the body parser methoder to parse URL encoder and JSON request body. We define a route slash form to render the HTML form.html to the client. We define a route slash submit to handle the form submission. In this route, we extract the form data, name and email from the request body and send a response back to the client with the submitted data. To run this code, save the code to a file in a new directory and access the form in your browser at http localhost 3000/form. Fill out and submit it to see the submitted data displayed on the page. Thank you.